Hello Ghana for within the Zenobia Asiedu. Na ending in me ya person at anima ya to me say wara me sure so person me winning competition ya me sure powerful na text the NSRF Zenobia Asiedu to the short code 1633 on all networks. Madam Wase Nsoromma ya bye bye.
Whoa. Zenobia Asiedu all the way from Amasaman. Ladies and gentlemen, Mumbon Semane. What representing Amasaman here? Nsoromma. Yes, right, yes, right. What's the story, me, mommy? Akaba.
What have you to say? Abisha Panso. Nice one. The woman here, I know what you can do. Why? You've done a wire there. But what I say. So let me save my comments right now. Obesamba, come and inspire all of us. What I say. But you know why are there? Let me show. Why?
Amanzaba. In Samanfu, what Pamatarapao? What? Zenobia. I will was to say best stage. No be up there. What we will. And see, Sana Cobrabium, you sparkled a shrine. Ata, it's Sana Cobrabium. Fantastic, yeah?
Fantastic from Amanzaba Nsoromma.